Our guided moose season always begins with the tough task of archery season. After a lot of days of hard work and close calls on monster bulls, we found ourselves nearing the conclusion of Ben's hunt.
Looks like he's gonna come up. He's a cranker. I'm guessing a 60-incher. At least he's really got a lot of head gear. Let him come. Let him come.
Oh.
It's a lot of horn. Here he comes. Oh, beautiful. Well, it's been a long hike. It's been a long hunt. We haven't heard much the last couple days. And I just called, and down below us in the valley, one grunted about 3 times. He's a fair ways away yet, but he sounds pretty hot to trot, so we're gonna give him another call or two and see exactly where he is and decide where to set up. But finally, we've worked hard for some action. Hopefully this one works out. You ready? Okay, I'll give a call here. Okay, there he goes again. He's just down in the valley there. Okay, Ben, I'm gonna go up behind you, up here, and call, and I'll try to pull him up this valley. You go down on that little point of bush and set up right in there. We got him going. He sounds like he's pretty serious, so I'm gonna go up to the trees up here and set up. You never know, maybe I can get some video of him if he comes across the open. So I'll hopefully get there and Ben will get set up there, so. Excitement, lots of time yet. The wind's good, so I should be able to bring him in, you know, within reason if the wind doesn't shift on us. Okay, I made it to the bush. Ben's set up over there. Looks ready. Just gonna get rid of this noisy pack. And do a little bit of a call segment here. Right from this tree line should be good. He's coming, so I don't need to call anymore. I'll probably stay pretty quiet and just film the action, see what happens. Oh. 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 Right on, moose down, big bull. And Ben nailed one. I called him right to him across the cut block. It's beauty. Oh, what a nice bull. Looks like about a 48 incher. Just a beauty. Couldn't have happened any better. Took me a while to get him in, but he come right up the hill and he only went about 15 yards and passed out. So we'll give him some time. I got to go over there and congratulate Ben. What a good hunt.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And he has worked his butt off for this. Everyone does. When they come with us, they work hard. That's all I can say. And they deserve it. Every ounce of that animal. Good, quick, clean kill. Okay, so we got our packs together. We gave him a while. We didn't need to. He is literally right there. He's only 25 yards away now. So Ben's gonna walk us up to his moose. Go get your hands on him, buddy. This is what you're here for. He's 4 feet, dude.
That is awesome. Look at that wacky. Look at that wackiness there.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thanks, mate. Thanks.
Good job. Enjoy this for the rest of your life.
Thank you very much. Can't thank you enough.
Anytime, man. Just give me the money. Anytime.
Show me the money.
Let's get to it.
Thanks.
Immediately following the archery season, it is time for our prized rifle hunts. This is the time of year us guides run ourselves ragged, helping put them on the ground.
Do you have a shot or not?
He's mine, right?
It's a big one.
Come halfway around the wheel for that.
Better than I could ever dreamed. Just unreal. It was exciting. A heck of a guide. He called that one in this morning. Come right in. Called this one right up over the ridge.
Big bulls in within 50 yards of us on at least 5 different occasions. A dream 25 years in the making for me.
Well, this is what you have to look forward to with Mountain Man Adventures. We hunt hard and try to call them in as best we can. Hey Nev, not bad for day 2?
Absolutely tremendous.
Just a little 3-footer. Nice little action for the first night though. He came in quick. Got about 7, 8, 9 days, however long he wants to stay. Try to get her done.
After a very successful group on the first hunt, it was return client Matt's turn to begin the second group of rifle hunters. He was hoping for a little redemption.
First night. We just got on this old road. Fresh tracks everywhere. It's finally cleared up. I let out 2 calls and we got 1 grunting. The wind seems good. Sounds like he's up there. Sounds like he's getting closer. We're gonna set up here where we can see. Maybe he'll come right in. Just be ready. There he is. He's coming. Just a second. Wait, he's coming. He's coming. Let him come, okay? Yeah, he's a good one. Let him come. Let him come. I'm gonna stop him when he's clear. Tell me when he's clear. Oh, take him if you can. He's down. Ron, he's a good one. Finally, man. Just walking, walking. You're reloaded? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. He dropped in his tracks, buddy.
Yeah.
I shook with the camera. How fast is it? Oh
my god, that
I
was
tell you, once it cleared up, he's a good bull. He's a real good
Yeah,
bull.
he's better than I thought. He's got
Better
nice
than I
fronts,
thought,
yeah.
He's got these wide, tall palms.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
Can happen fast.
Oh, that's so sweet, dude. Oh man, that's awesome.
There's the truck. Matt was with me last year and on an archery hunt and had an unfortunate break on an absolute monster at under 10 yards. Just unfortunately his arrow just tapped a branch and deflected and missed, but happy for you, buddy.
Year of agony finally over, man.
Yeah, I know it haunted you for a while. It haunted me. Oh, yeah. Old bull.
He's done. Oh my.
He's 54, 55 inches wide. Oh. You weren't going to let him go. Look at the folds in his pants. He's got so much character. Look at the fronts on this side, dude. On both sides.
Ridiculous, man. I seen he had good fronts in the scope. Oh my god. It's awesome, Tom. Thanks, man.
You know, it's nice to take these old guys out. Lots of character, awesome fronts, about 54, 55 inches wide. Just a beautiful bull. You know, it's been a pleasure, man. I'm glad you came back, and
happy to get up here and do it.
this is an awesome hunt. We had some fresh snow. It just helps out, and they weren't moving because of the storm the last few days, and then all of a sudden there's moose tracks everywhere, so we literally stopped the truck, sat for 10 minutes, got out, walked 15 yards from it. I called once or twice, and instantly he was grunting. So it happened really quick, but it couldn't happen any better.
Came in like he's on a rope, man.
Yeah, thanks for everything, Matt. We'll
thanks, Tom.
get to work.
One of a lifetime, man.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thanks,
Seriously,
man.
enjoy it.
Thanks.
Well, I stayed and finished off the hunts in the main camp. My partner Greg had a few clients way over on the other side of our trophy moose area.
Very remote area, and some good bulls in the area, so should be good. This last week we had 6 hunters, we shot 6 bulls, and the week before we had 5 hunters and shot 5 bulls. So we were 100%. Awesome year. Had some crappy weather, but on the cold days we made the best of it. So it was a good time, and now already my first morning out I'm on a 45-inch bull. So looking forward to seeing a 55. Keep pulling. There. Shit, now I can see how big he is. That's a beautiful bull. Awesome. Yeah. That's why we wait for snow. Get your gun lined up on him. Don't shoot, just wait. Just wait. Okay, shoot him. Right in the chest. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Wait, wait. Shoot him again. He's done. He's done. He's done. He's awesome, boys. That's 2 50-inch. This area is just unbelievable.
Wow. God. Had a long ass walk. I'm glad that son of a gun came in.
We just called a bull in. We were up on a hilltop. We could see him, and he started off being 2.5 miles away. Our new area is paying off. That's 2 big bulls in one day. One this morning.
Decided I want to kill a trophy, so we came to the new area and got this big one the first day.
Drove back, spotted him out in a cut block, way across the valley. Started calling, didn't hear us, called loud as we could, and perked up and started coming our direction. So we moved down the valley, otherwise it's gonna get dark on us. But that's a hog, boys. And another big bull, big fronts on him. Good length on his fronts.
Yeah.
Well, Steve?
Awesome hunt. This is my second trip with Greg Sutley. First one I got a 53-inch one. We haven't measured this one yet, but this new area is awesome.
Good job, guys.
Thank you. Good job, Greg. It's an awesome bull.
Nice bull.
As long as you're comfortable. Just breathe. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. How did it feel?
What?
How did it feel?
It felt all right.
He was on to us. 270. Dave decided to take a shot. It's a long, tough shot, but it wasn't that bad. It was only 270. He had a good rest. I thought I heard a whap. We're gonna have to give him a well and go check him out. There wasn't a lot of blood at first, and then we started to find blood and followed up right to him. So Dave has his moose, and he's a pretty darn good one. Whew. Really tall, awesome fronts, eh?
Yep.
That. Just make sure, give him a poke in the eye if you would. Watch his legs in case he's. Oh, he's a dandy, buddy.
Oh yeah, he's down.
Well, give me a smile.
I gotta quit breathing so hard. I'm old.
Very nice.
Yeah.
He's wide. Heavy
Yeah.
old bull.
Wide here.
Those fronts.
These points are big.
What do you think?
Thank you, Tom. You've done a hell of a job.
Day 2.
Day 2.
Today's Tuesday.
Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Big bull, beautiful fronts.
Yep.
I don't know. I'm guessing 52 inches wide.
These filmed hunts show a good example of what is to be expected on our trophy moose hunts. Unfortunately, the video camera isn't always handy. I guess that's what the still camera is for. 2012 was another amazing yet typical season for us. We were lucky enough to be able to send all of our rifle hunters and many of our archery hunters home with trophy class bull moose.